This is the Smart Bill Tracker and Bill Calendar. Enter each bill once on the Bills tab, and everything else, the calendar, the checklist, the dashboard, all build themselves from that one list. Here's the tour. The Today tab already knows where you stand. 3 bills due in the next 7 days, $125. 6 due in the next 14, $380. Worth a look. 2 bills, 1 day past due, no red, no shame, just a nudge. And handled so far, 98%. July, $2,960 scheduled, 1,790 checked off, 29% in. 1,115 runs on autopilot. 14 of 18 bills draft themselves. Coming up next, Spotify due today. And subscriptions run $15.84 a year. Cancel the 2 flagged, and $336 comes back. The Bills tab is the only one you type in. Name, amount, frequency, anchor date, 1 row per bill. 22 bills live here. Monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, annual, biweekly. 6 frequencies, 1 drop-down, 1 engine underneath. Take water and sewer alone, $96, quarterly, anchored February 12th. That's every input the engine needs. Watch what it does with it next. Nothing on this grid is typed. Watch the 4 teal cells, February, May, August, November. That's water and sewer. The same row we just saw, landing on its real due day, 4 times a year, from 1 quarterly setting. Type it once on bills. It shows up on every month it's due. Now June, day 14, $225, once. That's renter's insurance, set to annual, landing on its 1 real date, nowhere else on the grid. Same engine, different rhythm. Across the year, 219 landings, just over $37,000, none of them built by hand. The monthly checklist turns those landings into a to-do list. July needs $2,960 across 18 bills, rent's already paid. 2 rows red needs attention, the same pair from today, just waiting on a check mark. Scroll down. August is already built, $3,163, 19 bills, nothing resets in January. Every subscription surfaces here automatically, with its real cost per year. 9 are running, just over $1,583 total. 2 are flagged amber. Streaming bundle, about $216 a year, and fitness app, about $120, both marked no on still using. Cancel the 2 flagged, and that's $336 a year back, spelled out right on the tab. Not a separate app, just a filter on the same bills list. Variable bills tracks the utilities that change monthly. Log what electric billed and average, high and low compute themselves. $111 a month on average, from a January high of $132 to a May low of $92. Payment history is the receipts, 115 sample payments, dated, with a running total that adds itself. Year to date, $20,388 paid. Housing alone is 57% of it. Annual overview lays every category against every month, shaded darker where it runs heavier. The year totals just over $37,000. March is heaviest, $3,405, when car insurance lands. December is lightest, at $2,885. Late fee math flips the guilt around. 3 typical fees add up to $520 a year if they ever hit. Staying ahead of them is worth that same $520, framed as a raise, not a warning. January through June, 100% handled. Insights ranks your 5 biggest bills automatically. Rent leads, $19,800 a year, 53% of everything scheduled. Then the car payment, student loan, cleaning service, and electric. Same numbers as annual overview, just ranked. That's the Smart Bill Tracker and Bill Calendar. Enter each bill once, and it lands on every month it's due. Nothing resets when January comes around. $9.97, one-time, free lifetime updates. Find it on Etsy, link in the description. Every bill. Seen coming.